Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by launching Google Earth in your browser or the app. Sign in so your preferences and saved places load. Once done, grant location access to center the map near you. This helps with contextual zooming. In the search field, type a place name, full address, or latitude, longitude pair, and press enter. This immediately teleports you to the target location so you can start exploring imagery and terrain without extra navigation. It's faster than panning manually. Now that you're at your target, learn to move efficiently. Zoom with the wheel or pinch and use +/- keys for incremental control. Make sure to tilt or rotate the view using right-click drag on desktop or two-finger gestures on touch devices. This reveals 3D structure and building heights. Toggle layers like 3D buildings, borders, labels, and historical imagery so you see relevant data. As you explore, switch between Earth and Street View for ground-level context. This combination clarifies spatial relationships. Finish by using the ruler tool to measure distances or areas. Choose meters, miles, or custom units to get precise results. Save locations to your places or build a project with place marks and tours, then export KML or KMZ files to share with others. If imagery fails to load or tiles are missing, first verify your internet connection, then clear the app or browser cache and update Google Earth. These steps often resolve rendering problems quickly, so you can resume exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.